This author gets millions of views and earns tens of thousands of dollars or even more per month, believe me. Some people earn much more than you can imagine. If you are interested in how they manage to achieve such success, then you are in the right place. Stay with me until the end, and we will begin this amazing journey. The first step is to create a script for your future short video on YouTube. You can simply request the GPT chat to write a script and give it 30 minutes to execute. If the script doesn't suit you, go to YouTube, select the video that inspires you, and copy the link to it. Then, going to the DubDub website, paste the link, and click Transcribe. In just a few seconds, you will receive a text that you can edit at your discretion. Go back to the GPT chat and ask to rewrite the text in a clear and easy language for your short video on YouTube. This way, you will have a unique script with a title. You can also take the topic of the video and ChatGPT, the script for your video. Here, at your discretion, you can use both options, creating a theme and a script for your video. To create background images, you can use Leonardo Born. You can receive 150 tokens every day. If you want to get better results, try using Midjourney AI. Ask the GPT chat what images you need for each scene and describe the background of military events in each of them. Now, open Leonardo and click Generate Image. Then copy the invitation to the image and paste it here. Select the number of images in the 9:16 aspect ratio, then click Generate. In just a few seconds, you will have a great image. If something does not suit you, you can always try again or add additional details in the instructions. The next step is to create a voice track. To do this, use 11 Labs. Choose the appropriate voice, adjust the settings for the best results, select the language and paste the text from the GPT chat. Don't forget to edit the generated text at your discretion, so you have a script, background images, and a voice track. Let's move on to the next stage, editing. To do this, use the CapCut application. Import audio and images created with Leonardo AI. Ready! Now you have a unique short video on YouTube. Now, after importing all the images, we will add them to the first layer and the audio to the second. Next, select the option for auto captions. Configure various parameters, such as font selection, animation style, and proceed to creating effects for each image. There are many options to choose from, and do not forget to add a transition between the images, which will attract the attention of viewers and ensure that their attention is held. You can choose the transitions that I use in the video. The main thing is that the video is interesting and of high quality in order to attract more viewers, so that your videos would gain a large number of views in the future. So with the effect for the video, you need to select different effects and see which one is more suitable for your video. In the beginning, it may take you quite a lot of time, but in the future, you will be able to make videos quite quickly, since you will already know how to create such videos. The text for the video can also be edited as you like. You can do as I show on the screen or choose your font style. Here is already at your desire. Now that the editing is complete, click Export to export our video. And now you have a ready-made video. Now you can publish it to your channel, gain large views. In the beginning, there may not be many views, but if you consistently publish videos, then at one moment, one of your videos will gain a large number of views, and so other videos will start to gain. And in general, the channel will begin to grow rapidly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click on the bell icon to join me on the wave of my training programs. Analyze and repeat step by step with me, grow and prosper. Let's make this world a better place together.